Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll build our capacity to stay present instead of withdrawing when challenging emotions arise. Start by finding a quiet place to sit comfortably. Straighten your back without gripping. Relax your shoulders and arms, and rest your hands in your lap. If you haven't yet, gently close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhale, filling your lungs. And exhale, slow and steady. Deep breath in. Full breath out. Do this a few more times at your own pace. Now, settle back into your natural rhythm of breathing. Let your attention rest on your breath, noticing your inhales and exhales just as they are. Feel the cool air entering and the warmth of your breath on each exhale. Follow your breath from the very moment it starts, all the way to the end of the exhale. Watch the breath enter, pass through your nostrils, fill your chest, and expand your belly. Watch the belly release, the chest soften, and the breath exit again through your nostrils. And now, without searching for any emotions, notice how you feel. Notice any sensations or feelings around your heart center. If nothing comes up, that's okay too. Just make room for your breath and for your current emotional landscape. There may be anger, sadness, peace, joy, or any other emotion. Perhaps there's just a vague sensation, and that's also okay. There's no need to name it. Just remember that whatever you feel is perfectly normal. There's no good or bad emotion. As you sit with your emotions, notice where they show themselves in your body. Notice the physical sensations that arise with your emotions. Rather than searching or contemplating your feelings, just keep coming back to your breath, allowing space for your experience as it is. Emotions may be part of that experience. Just allow them to arise, note their presence, and let them dissipate as you use your breath as a touchstone. Come home to your breath again and again and again. Now, allow your awareness to soften. When a rush of strong emotion arises, withdrawing might feel like a safe or easy option. Rather than feeling the pain or expressing how we feel, we shut down and stay quiet. But whether we do it to protect ourselves or others, we're actually creating more suffering. The truth is, closing ourselves off in order to avoid unpleasant emotions doesn't make them go away. Inevitably, these repressed feelings will return with more intensity. So rather than shutting down when we face discomfort, we can start by acknowledging how we feel. We can hold ourselves with kindness and compassion, allowing our emotions to be as they are. When we do this, we are also developing strength and courage to express how we feel. And the more we practice, the easier it becomes to stay present rather than run away, to express ourselves rather than bottling it up. So when you catch yourself shutting down, pause for a few moments to make room for what you're truly feeling. Be patient and gentle with yourself. And one small step at a time, practice giving a soft voice to your emotions. Now, slowly bring your awareness back into the room around you. Notice the sounds. Notice your body in space. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Have a lovely day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.